Hi, and welcome to Christine's World. It is that time again, Mother's Day, and so I'm taking a moment to myself. I'm hiding in my office, and I thought I would do an unboxing. If you haven't thought about Mother's Day, now's the time to do it. Plenty of time to get your basket in from gourmetgiftbaskets.com. They seem to always just come out on top as far as gift giving. There is every kind of basket you could think of, and I have my blanket. Ask my mom a blanket. And I have my basket of goodies for Mother's Day. Look how precious it is. It is quite heavy. So I thought I would do an unboxing with you. It's just cute. Look at the little strawberries. So let's check it out together, shall we? I am ready. I have my new water. We are not represented by Ozarka, and we don't represent Ozarka. But water is water at this point. Let's see what they have in the Mother's Day baskets. Has a pretty bow. Let's see what we have. Yeah, probably nothing I'm supposed to have, but it is Mother's Day. Yeah. So we should live it up a little bit. I mean, I did give birth to 2 children. So I deserve something, right? I mean, I've done a lot of dishes. Here is the cute little box. And I'm going to take a peek inside. First little package here is strawberry marshmallow granola bites. Let's sneak a bite. Strawberries, granola, marshmallow. Yeah. I would say it has to be a high-end Pop-Tart. Very good. I personally cannot eat strawberries because I don't like the little texture of it. But I love the taste of strawberries. And these little dudes are good. Yum. I have to look these up to see where I can buy more of these. These are good. Miss Lily's sticking her head through the door wanting one. Miss Lily, these are good. Very good. Oh, I better wait. Let's see what else we got, shall we? Okay. Cookies. Biscotti. I feel like this mom's getting a treatment here. Miss Lily's out there mad because she's not getting any. Can't have chocolate, baby. I might give you some of those, one of those strawberry things though. Oh, how cute. Let's see, we've got some crumbles going on here. A wafer cookie. Oh my, can you really go wrong with a wafer? And slap chocolate in the middle of them? Yummy. He doesn't deserve to have 3 bites. He just deserves 2. Very good. And that's our little box. That's all kind of goodness in that little box. Look at that. Box number 2. And it's a heavy one. Quite heavy. We have cocoa dusted almonds. Oh, mercy. Popper. Oh. I'm telling you, you buy this for your mama. And you're going to have some good dinners come along your way. He's a pretty almond. I'm sorry, Miss Lily. It's chocolate covered almond. Can't have it either. I'm living the dream right now. She's trying to get through the door. Come on, Chubby. Push that door open. Mom's got chocolate covered almonds. This is all kinds of crazy right here. In the bottom of our second box, it's so heavy. How must I do? Look at that. Big chunk of fudge. Man. It's from that fudge place. Chocolate peanut butter fudge. Holy cow. I need my sister here to share the fudge with me. She loves fudge. Her and my dad. Fudge crazy. If they could eat fudge every day, they would. I'm not going to test this right now. If I open this, I'm going to be in all kinds of sugar trouble. But that's a hunk. I mean, wow. 8 ounces. That's a lot of fudge. Look at that. Look at that fudgy goodness. Up to box number 3. Let's check it out. We got a pretty bag. Oh, them people gonna do it to me again. Coppers? Now what are they doing to me? Sugar cookie white chocolate. Are you serious? White chocolate and sugar? We gotta see what this is about. I'm sure that, yeah, the calories gotta be low, surely. Let's see what this is all about. The harder I get, the harder it is to open a bag, but I will make my way when it comes to a cookie. Look how cute they are. Okay, here goes nothing. My Manjaro is not going to work this week. I'm going to have to take my medication for my diabetes. I just went off of it. Yay me. We're going to have another one of these. That's a big bag. So I got to get all this wrapped up before the husband comes in from work. He wants to know where his supper's at. And I'm going to have to hand him a sugar ball. Yeah. To finish off our box. Chocolate chip cookies. From the Estate Bakery. Oh, they're peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Full of delicious melt in your mouth. You know, when I see these little white packs like this, I know there's something good there. They spare no cost when it comes to bagging up these little cookies. And every time I see that poor thing, he ain't gonna last 10 seconds. Just call me the Cookie Monster.
A few moments later.
Oh, yeah. Woo, doggies, gourmet gift baskets, you've done it again. Happy Mother's Day to me. Happy Mother's Day to all you mommies out there. Order you a gift basket if somebody don't order it for you. gourmetgiftbaskets.com. It's your friend. I'm telling you. Get you little stackable boxes. You know it's full of goodness. Woo! Sorry. Have to show you. Got my soft pink blanket. All my little Mama Day treats. And my Mama Day shoes. I'm all set to go. So thanks for joining me. And I hope you come back. And have a wonderful Mother's Day. And if you're not a mom, you need to get to gourmetgiftbaskets.com and order your mama some good stuff. She's deserving. She'll cook you all kinds of good meals. And throw in a I love you. I love you guys. See you later.